What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently released Netflix original film Loco Porella, Crazy About Her. The most of the movie was shot in Barcelona, closer to Argentina, the place, and Catalonia is the place that hosted the film. The film is very unique, and especially it is a drama dramedy or romantic comedy also, but it has a very unique and a very uh, relevant topic that we have to share about, because most of the people right now they are into that kind of situation and for the past year, and I hope you will really like it once you will watch. The story revolves around Adreo. So Adre is working in a magazine as a writer and boast about his catch lines that he can pick a girl very quickly with his old uh, catch lines. Fortunately, on the same day, he meets Carla in a bar, and they are very open in talking to each other. And suddenly, without knowing her name, they spend the night and they crash in the wedding, and they did everything unusual. So after that night, she left, and without knowing that who she is, where she came from, and the only thing left in his hand was her jacket. So in his office, there is so much stress going on regarding writing of the very catchy article to get more views and uh, to keep their magazine in the limelight. So he is sharing with his friend that something, a unique story has come up in my brain, but I have to figure it out how. Somehow he get one ticket or something, a receipt, and found out that that receipt belongs to a psychiatric center. So once he reaches there and found that Carla is there, so thus the starts the story. So here you will see Martha is a very good character that very well written, and so her friend help his friend help and somehow let him enter into that psychiatric center, because they don't want the outsiders to invade in their privacy. So somehow he manages there, found out, got the documents, however he paid, and then because he is into media, so he can get through this easily. He went there and found out there are other people also, but in order to uh, win their heart, he has to sacrifice a lot of things and understand how he can know their situation. So there is a soul also very well written, a helping hand, and this is a like a supporting role that you will really enjoy it, and his life, how his family think about him, and this is all about mental health. So that is one of the unique thing that you will learn about here. And now after so many efforts, he is trying his level best to win heart of all the people over there, and trying his level best to uh, see that there is another girl also with a problem, so he wanted to help her to how to feel normal in that life. So there is a very good thing that she has said, that whatever we are going through, the environment around us, the people make inferior, and they don't let us adjust in that. It is also a very good thing that they have to show that we have to support all those people who are around and they need help. Somehow after so many things that happens, uh, they found out that he is not being a good help in this, and because no matter they think that he got the bogus documents, so they let him go, because they said that it will be very hard for the people to live over here also, and especially for Carla also, her situation got worsened, and they said give her a space so that she will adjust and she will come out of it by herself, instead of you giving a different type of therapy that is not needed. So what happens now, as he goes back into his workplace, his article went viral and everyone was reading, and thus she tries her level best to come out of that uh, center and trying to meet her. And I hope you really like this movie, and it has a good and unique message that all of us should really understand. It's not about like we are always watching some kind of Hollywood movies, but this is for the very first time that you will see something, uh, once again a good thing comes out of Spanish cinema. And I hope you really like it. So have a great weekend and love your loved ones and people around surround you. So have a great day. Bye bye.